Hey, coming to you live and direct for the second time today. Ooh, go figure, 2 times in 1 day. But I wanted to come on here and spoiler alert, everybody. Cam did not use the veto on Miss Felicia, so we will be saying
bye, Felicia.
This week, we will be saying bye, Felicia. Bye, Felicia. And apparently, Miss Felicia's not taking it so well, everybody.
So how bad you guys think I just blew up my game?
Okay.
Because when they go low, I go nasty.
She's not happy. Apparently, she is throwing fits.
This game. I don't say what game.
That's what I'm saying. What game? It's blown. It's part of the gig. And you got to say what you want to say.
But here's the thing. Cam did not make a big move. So I agree with Miss Felicia. He is not a game player. Or either, like I said in the last video, production must have gotten to him.
As far as blowing up the game, I don't know. But I don't expect you to go hard against Mimi.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Why
That's
would
what
I?
I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. So it's just a tough game to have from this point. But it's...
Because the obvious move was to pull Felicia down and put up Corey.
At least you got stuff off your chest. You said what you wanted to say, and you said your truth. Just like you've always told me what you do.
That's the big move for you. Like, what other big moves are there? Because now, Cam, if you don't want Power Veto next week, you're done. Your days are numbered, and you had your chance to get out a strong voice in the house. Believe it or not, the 21-year-old booger picker, booger eater, because we all pick our boogers at some point in the day, but he's a booger eater. Now, we don't all eat boogers. The 21-year-old booger eater is the brains of the house.
But I do have an IQ of 187 and eidetic memory and can read 20,000 words per minute.
Aside from Siri, he's the one who is sitting there strategizing. You hear Jag thinking he's strategizing, but Jag is just mumbling and talking in circles. And yeah, and so here's something I saw and I said this earlier in a roundabout way. It's something a little, like, to use Jared's word, it's something a little ick, the way these people are discussing Felicia's demise in the game. It's something a little bit like, who is she to act like this? And that, I mean, do I have to like go into further detail? Is that self-explanatory? But it's that attitude that Bowie, America, and Cam, as well as Jag and Matt even, have about Felicia's attitude in the game. Like she's just some little girl who's pouting when she's a 63-year-old woman who could be all of your mothers. And the way you guys are treating her, it's a little bit ick. Like when girls fart. Jared said that, I didn't. Everybody farts, okay? So it's just something that's giving me pause, and it's just my spider senses go off every time I see them discussing Felicia and the other black women in the house. I'm not calling them racist or anything or calling out racism, but it's something. It's as if they think, how dare they have this entitlement? How dare they treat us like this? That's just what I'm picking up. These are my spider senses, not yours. These are just the spiders, my intuitive feeling. And, like Miss Cleo says, well, she says the cars never lie, but my intuition never lies to me. I feel like it's a little something underlying there. But anyhow, Cam did not use the veto, and Miss Felicia is probably walking out the door because she said she will not campaign against Mimi. She loves Mimi because Mimi's really her only friend in the house. So, all right, like and subscribe.